Lesson 5, short sound. Spelling pattern. Number 1, letter E, ben, met. Number 2, E-A, head, stead. Okay, word practice. Bed, bed, set, set, went, went, 10, 10, well, well, desk, desk, ben, ben, red, red, sell, sell, edge, edge, get, get, yell, yell, den, den, send, send, men, men, breath, breath, dead, dead, head, head, health, health, bread, bread, sweater, sweater, ready, ready, meant, meant, feather, feather, spread, spread, leather, leather, heavy, heavy, pleasure, pleasure, treasure, treasure, zealous, zealous, any, any, many, many, again, again, against, against, said, said, says, says, high, heifer, heifer, friend, friend, jeopardy, jeopardy, leopard, leopard, guess, guess, guest, guest, berry, berry. Eddie will get 10 of Meg's hens to sell eggs for a living. Ben set his bell on the edge of his desk. Send us 10 men to rescue our pets from the lion's den. My pet is getting very heavy from eating too much bread. A well-educated vet said that it would be best for my pet's health to get a rest. Beth kept feeling jealous when Ted said that her friend's red leather jacket looked sexy. Try to guess where I buried the leopard sofa. Meg begged Ned to set 10 wet nets on the deck. Actual practice. Many, friends, Ted, bed, bench, wrecked, sweater, heavy, health, vet, Ben, yelled, went, men, guess, present, leopard, den, nest, bury. Homework. E, 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 A. Meg begged Ned to set 10 wet nets on the deck.